glitter and color of all courtliness. Your love gives help to him who trusts himself in you, such that he feels no tears nor pain. Virgin Mary, for from you human flesh took Jesus Christ, who washes and heals all your friends from evil through loyal confession. You had a rich day, such a one, blessed, glorious one, that at Christmas you were equally mother, daughter, bride of the royal chief, court lady, powerful, make a lodging there for me, merciful one. For I am weary of this life, for I find nothing there, so mine is no court, no lady, no lord, and without trouble and without pain.